Hey everyone, Emily, and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am going to set up my health and wellness journal for 2019. So keep on watching because I think it's going to be really fun. And my intention with this is to keep track of things pertaining to my physical health, my mental health, and then also goals that I have that are physical and mental health related, sort of. This is a 2019 Hobonichi Techo A6, and it's the English planar version. And this is what I am using for my 2019 journal. And you saw me decorate this in a couple videos back. So this cover, this matcha, I think it's called matcha, the green cover with the blue inside, and the Hobonichi I actually ordered from JetPens.
Because they didn't have, I think what I wanted was out of stock on the actual Hobonichi website, and this was all I wanted. Well, now I kind of regret it because I wish I would have, well, actually not, because I already had this A6 cover, and this was the only A6 cover that I really liked. I didn't like the other A6 cover.
It was Kawaii Tokyo, Japanese stationery and gift. So I saved all the postage, as I tend to do. Look at that stamp, isn't that pretty? But so this is where it came from. But I loved the way that it looked with the green, and I loved the birds and the trees. I loved everything about this cover. So that's why I didn't order from Hobonichi, because you can't get the past cover on covers with, on the website. As far as I know, I couldn't find any. So I got this, and then I wish now I had a, what do they call them? Shitajiki, the writing boards or whatever. I wish I, had one for this. So next time I place a Hobonichi order, because there will be a next time, I might get one for this as well, because I have one for my journal and I really, I like it. So you saw me decorate this, and you saw me add the tabs, and I actually did end up backing those tabs because I just couldn't help myself. It was too fun. So I did that. And then let's see, in this, that set of Agenda 52 tabs, I actually had 12 more because I cut them in half. I'll link that video in the cards. Yeah, right. I don't know how, but I'll try. So I did that for my fitness journal as well, or my health. So, and some of them have the words on it, and the sayings are not my favorite, but in my health kind of thing, it actually doesn't bother me. Like in my journal, I feel like it would have, but this sort of, it doesn't bug me as much. And I also backed these with just scrapbook paper that I had. Today I wanted to put my stickers in here because I've been collecting stickers from different places. Like REI has some of my favorite stickers, and let's see, this hedge jog sticker is from Redbubble, so he's gonna have a coveted place in here. So I'm just gonna decorate this with you guys. If you wanna do that with me, then stick around. Since this is my fitness planner, my little hedge jog sticker is gonna be in there. And I just, he is my favorite. I love him so much. Him and my Sasquatch sticker, possibly my favorite things in the entire world. And I probably will get another Squatch sticker.
I like to think that if I didn't have the life that I have now, I would be a Sasquatch hunter, like in Alaska.
I don't know if I want to have him on the front. Is that weird? I don't like how close he comes to the writing, and it's kind of weird. Let's see. And then I've got these And these are all, to me, relate to my like mental health. Like go outside, get lost, you know, running or doing something that, you know, you love to do. So these are all vinyl stickers from REI. And my husband and I love REI. So this is a wood sticker. And it says, life is about courage and going into the unknown to hunt Sasquatch. So maybe I could put that on there. Ooh, I kind of like that. Do you guys like that? Come on, I'm waiting for you to answer. I don't know if I want anything on the outside cover though, but I kind of do. I'm just kind of throwing these in here. So well, you guys, I think that's all for right now. I want to save some stickers to be able to put inside, so I think I'm going to cut up some of these stickers to be able to keep in here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I got the front cover, all my stickers. And then my workout stickers in here, and I have done my tabs. So I am so excited about this, you guys. I'm so stoked for 2019. I think it's going to be a really exciting year full of growth, and I hope it is for you too. So if you have a good plan for 2019 and you're excited about it, let me know what it is. How are you going to conquer this next year? Or at least give it your best shot. I'd like to know about it. Please subscribe and like my video if you feel like you liked it. And I will see you guys later. Bye.